But this was on the drive.
Are you gonna explain this one?
Oh, yeah, sure. For me? Yeah. Who's that?
It's all dried in. You can see their existing abilities.
Vision board.
So, this is what I did when I first learned how to do a vision board. My mentor at the time was explaining, like most people when they say vision boards, it's the piece of bristle board. What he likes to do is get a piece of newspaper, whatever, put it on the wall, top to bottom. And I thought, well, you notice the size of that, it's the size of a 4x8 sheet of drywall. So I did that on the drywall, and at the time, I never put a date on this. At the time, wanted it was 512 unit building, so I never got the 512. $10 million net worth by the time 57. Oh shit! You better hurry. Photos, current buildings. So a vision, at that time I hadn't been speaking in front of crowds or people, so I drew myself on a stage, speaking to a large group of people. We hadn't been to Rome or Paris yet. Joanne drew on there, taking our eldest granddaughter to Paris on her 16th birthday, which is coming up in 3 years. We wanted to travel to Europe, 24 unit building, 12 unit buildings, so we were starting to do rent to own, so this is way back, quite a while ago. Cottage property or island vacation, home in Costa Rica. We weren't sure what we wanted, so we were doing holidays. We wanted a hot tub at the time. Real family pictures. Joanne's, not sure there. Oh, 3 marriages, well, 2 down. A cruise ship with the family, and I got a little bit of a smart ass. The extended family too, so including in-laws, so they're at one end.
This could be a
We're gonna have some fun with it. But since then we've taken Joanne's parents on family vacation. We've taken the family on several all-inclusive vacations. We're probably doing another one. We just did a cruise with 3 of the grandchildren this year. We're doing another family vacation where everything is going to be covered for, so it's going to be, we figured about 20 grand to do that. That'll be the Christmas present this year. So it's not a bad thing to be able to do, give them all this, at Christmas time. But that was really motivating for us at the time. And we'd taken it down and moved and had put it away for a while. And somebody asked about it and I said, yeah, well, let's get it out. And I said, oh, done. Just, it all happened. Even though we didn't have it up in front of us all the time, most of it was completed. The challenge I'm having right now, if you were to take a look at my vision board, it's pretty blank. Because Mark and I I've been struggling over the past year, talking about being motivated for material things. Money doesn't motivate me. I can get it, I can do it, or as much or little as I want, that just doesn't do it. So trying to get motivated. And I can't remember how I got back to my apartment building. So if you take a look at my office, there's a picture of an apartment building there. That's part of my vision board, it's of its own. And when everybody else is working on their vision boards, I was going to work on mine because I do have clarity now. I just haven't put it on paper yet, so I'm putting some stuff on paper. So it can be as big as this, but you notice there's no cutouts, there's no pictures here. It's all hand drawn. And it doesn't matter if you can't draw a stick person with a ruler, you still draw it by hand because it engages the creative side of the mind, which is more emotional, which will get deeper down in here for you then. And it doesn't have to be right the first time. Do it, make mistakes on it, go home, do it again, numerous times, and then don't put it behind the couch out of sight. Put it up someplace where you will see it every day. Like mine's in the office, so I can't help but see that building every time I walk into the room.
Do you still see it?
Oh yeah, it's happening.
Still registered?
Yeah, it's happening. I now have a plan for it, how it's going to happen too. So 5, 6 years.
This creative process is so important. That most of what people talk about when they say right brain, left brain people is a bunch of malarkey, okay? Again, those are extremes. Most people are not extremely right brain or extremely left brain. What happens is we've got a lot of people that are somewhere in there. We use both sides of our brains. And that we get put into categories and then get set in those categories. So I see in this room a lot of right brain people that I bet if I asked you, you'd say you're left brain. You're more on the analytical side rather than the emotional side.